How to move an account to my organization in Freshdesk. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can move an account to my organization in Freshdesk. And how do you do this? The first step is to sign in or log in into your Freshdesk as an admin. And then once you're logged in, move to the left side of the screen to access the admin panel, and you can find it at the lower part of the screen. Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on that, the next step or the next thing to do is to click on customers, right? Yeah, click on, move to the left side of the screen and look for customers. Now, if we check the left side of the screen, you will see several options, but you notice that you cannot see customers there. You cannot find the customer option there. This is because the version I'm using currently, that is the Freshdesk version I'm using, does not allow this. So for you to be able to move your account to an organization on Freshdesk, you have to ensure that you have upgraded your account to a version that allows you to move your account to an organization. So after upgrading, by the time you come to your admin page, by the left side of the screen, you will see the tab called customers. Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on this customers tab, you see other options. All right, amongst the other options, ensure you select organizations. After selecting organizations, you'll be taken to the organization page, and then you'll be asked to find the account you want to move. Then click on the edit icon next to it. Then in the account, after clicking on the edit icon next to it, you'll be redirected to the account details page. On this details page, you should see an option to change or add the account to an organization. Then select the desired organization from the drop down list. After selecting the desired organization, save your changes, and then after saving your changes, the account would be moved. It's actually very simple, but ensure that you're on the version that allows you to do that. And then once you're there, just go ahead, carry out all of this, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.